How to link your partner on FLO app. Open the FLO application first of all, then make sure to sign into your FLO account. Once you have done that, tap on partner option at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then linking your partner on FLO application will help you to share your cycle insights with your partner. So in order to link your partner on FLO app, tap on link your partner button. So here is a code given on this screen. So you need to share your pairing code with your partner in order to link your partner on FLO app. So your partner will receive a link to download the FLO application. Then he will use the code to pair with your profiles. So let's tap on send pairing code button. So here are the different ways you can share the code to your partner in order to link your partner on FLO applications. So you have already invited your partner using different kinds of application, and then he will use this code to pair your profiles. Then you can both be the partners on FLO application, or then you can both use FLO for partners. So in this way you can easily link your partner on FLO application. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.